Hey guys, I have made a code which will generate a scrollable pagination feature in Flutter app. Today I am going to be sharing its code with you guys. Let's get started. The tutorial is divided into two phases. The first is displaying data in data table. Second is adding scrollable pagination at the bottom. To execute the phase 1, what we shall do is a copy paste from my blog. The link is given in the description with the title as link 1 code data table. Instructions are given, we just have to follow it. In new project, we shall add a dependency. Make sure that it is at the same level as the Flutter text. Then you can download that dependency using the command or clicking on the pub.get link. Copy paste the whole code and paste it in main.dart file. Let's run the project. You will see the data in data table, which itself is scrollable. Data is coming from the REST API. Each row is sending total number of rows in count. Every API may send total row count in different key or won't send it at all. So take a note. Let's begin the phase 2. We already created a code to get total pages which will be shown at the bottom of the app page. Here we will add another single child scroll view. We will allow it to scroll horizontally. Add a row as a child. The advantage is that we can add multiple children in it, which will be our pagination buttons. The size box is required. I'll tell you why in a minute. Let's add a width in it. We will do some mathematics to make it at the level of the data table. Then I'll be using the for loop. Inside that will be our page buttons. We'll be using container with some specific width. The width will be dynamic depending upon the length of the page number. I shall explain it in a minute. For a button, we'll be using raise button as a child. Inside raise button, we will temporarily add one text. On press function is necessary. Button appears. We shall temporarily change the page count as 10 in for loop. We will create a function called number function which will be deciding the width of every button. Let's create a function which will return a double value. Whenever the length of the page number changes, so will the float amount of that button. Now the width looks okay. Add I+1 as a text which will accurately display the page number. On press, we will change the current page number to highlighted. Let's make numbers color as a white. Because there are only 15 records, there are only 2 pages. So let's make 2 records per page. We will add size box at the end of the container too to make some spacing from the right side. To make some gap between buttons, we shall add margins as 10 from the right side. Set height property as 50. To change content when clicked on button, call the load data from API method on buttons on press function. In pagination, there is always a feature which will tell user the current page by highlighting it. So let's change the color of that current page. Because it is dynamic, we shall create another method called getColor for this. It will return a color by checking if the page number matches with the current one or not. There is some error, so return type should be material color. Let's run the project again. We will see the pagination as expected. It is scrollable and go up to infinite. There is a link in the description called link to code final pagination. Enjoy the code. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.